Hi guys, so my daughter is sleeping right now. I'm trying to be quiet, but I wanted to do a SHEIN haul. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things to try on. Super cute. Let's get started. Okay, I lied. There's actually 6 items. So let's get started. This is a size medium skirt. It's black. This is the back of it. Really cute high waist. And the front. Let's try it on. Next up is this SHEIN beige top, and it has some chain links on the shoulder part and ties at the side so you can adjust it. Now let's try the SHEIN and Hello Kitty collection. This is the dress, and it's like bright pink, my favorite color. And this is a size large. Next up is this really cool dress with gold in it, and it's kind of hard to explain, you'll just have to see it. It has the lettuce trim on top like this. So let's try it on. Next up is the Hello Kitty shirt, and this is a size large. It is so cute. It's a crop top for the summer. Here we go. Last but not least is this really cool textured mini crop top, and it has the lettuce trim like the other dress did. So let's take a look. This one is a size medium.